Jamaica with that world record yesterday run the same quartet in the same order. Akeem Blake to Tina Clayton, Kadrian Goldson, and the second of the Clayton twins, Tia, on the anchor. Can that world record in its infancy be lowered even further from 39.99? The mixed 4x100 meters final is underway. Jamaica, the world record.
Hello, for all my track and field people out there, and big up to Jamaica, our people. Tia Clayton and Tina Clayton, guys, two girls, proud of my Jamaican girls, and they're from Westmoreland too. You gotta watch this race. The best really 2026, man. This was the best really. All right, watch this, guys.
Keep an eye on the clock here. The first 4 athletics relays title of 2026 goes to Jamaica in a big new world record. They improved their own mark. Canada home in second, last year's champions, but Jamaica got it all absolutely right when it mattered.
Jamaica and Canada just really switching positions from last year. Last year, Canada was first, Jamaica was second, and now they've turned that around. Jamaica comes in for their
third edition of the World Relays.
World record, guys.
And that
World
content,
record.
the mark from yesterday, that
Big
record
up
will
Jamaica,
continue to
Tina
come down.
Clayton, all the best.
Akeem Blake
All the best. Shelly-Ann
got them off
Fraser-Pryce.
to a
You
flyer.
must be proud of these girls. You must be proud of them. Amen.
See, Germany got a bit tight with their change there. Goldson's bend was huge here. I think Tina Clayton had decided they'd won when she handed over to Kadrian Goldson. But she had, look, 5, 6, 7 meters to make.
Yes, certainly. This is a very experienced team. The beauty of it, they're from a smaller country in terms of size, and so perhaps they have more opportunities to get their relay exchanges in. But it's a very experienced team. They have great synergy here, and they were able to come and get a gold medal and also a new world record.
And here are Jamaica with 3 Williams and then Elaine. Brianna Williams in on the opening leg. Jadine Williams, Lavanya Williams ran in the middle yesterday, and Elaine Thompson-Herah is in. Racing in the women's 4x100 meters World Athletics Relays final. Bold start by China, one from the left, out in lane number 7. Jamaica's first change from Williams to Williams is good.
Three favorite, the Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Elaine Thompson and Jackson. They were the 3 best so far for Jamaica, and here comes the Clayton sisters.
But still got it done in time. Right in the middle, Spain and Canada. As Elaine Thompson-Herah prepares to get the baton for Jamaica. She's got Donovan Tambaway of Canada to chase down.
Of 2026, my tell you, this is the best really I have seen.
The 5 times Olympic gold medalist brings Jamaica home ahead of Canada and Spain. Quite something down the home straight. So good to see after so long out. Whether she's fully fit, I don't know, we'll see, but that's not for the discussion right now on this change, because this wasn't good. It wasn't quite as bad as I thought the first time of asking, maybe.
Proud of him.
Just about in time in the box. Might have done just make for a bit of a disservice there live. But here, Tambaway, that was clean. Thompson-Herah switching from hand to hand, and away she goes. Tambaway's about a metre or 2 ahead. Let's watch Thompson-Herah. Let's see if she does shut down.
Right there.
All of you.
Is that a shutdown or is that a
Young
feeling
men and
something?
young ladies.
It almost
Jamaica
looks like
proud
that's a
of
feeling
all of
something.
them.
She's so
Big up to
close to the
themselves.
finish. I know that she just wanted to get through the race. In her mind, she's thinking about all these injuries she's had in the past. She knows how important this is to her teammates, and so she was able to slow down just enough to get in front and stay in front and cross that line for gold.
Jackson leads off Jamaica, joined by the Williams, Jadine and Lavanya. The final heats of the women's 4x100 4x100 metres here at the World Athletics Relay, and look at Shericka Jackson go through this first leg, already up on Germany, outside her.
I love my track
on the
and
outside
field.
from
I watch
Portugal.
it all the time,
But Jamaica with
Just
Jamaica
wanted to
Williams,
show
Elaine
this guy because this is the
Thompson-Herah,
best relay ever.
Not the best change from Jamaica at all. Elaine Williams was stuttering and came to nearly a stop. France going well on the inside in the white and red kit, and Germany and Portugal challenging on the outside. Much better from Jamaica that time. France have gone, didn't get the baton round. Jamaica
Yes,
and
guys,
Germany,
the best
Nigeria
relay
on the inside have also gone wrong. So chaotic
Love my
heat
track
that
and
one.
field. Love my track
And
and
we're
field.
going to get 5 finishers, but
I can
strung out
enjoy it,
completely.
just like me. I
Jamaica,
have to show it.
the comfortable winners in the end. As you'd have expected, they are through to the World Championships in 40.1.96. Followed home by the changeovers under pressure, started to fall to pieces, but the first rule of relays is get the baton round. Before anything else, Portugal got the baton round. Other teams that would have been expected to finish ahead of them didn't get around. Portugal are through to the World Championships.
Who's your favorite one out there? I love to know.
So we've seen the replays here.
Mine is, of course,
Portugal's first change actually
Shelly-Ann
wasn't incredible,
Jackson,
but keep an eye on some of the
Elaine
other
Thompson-Herah,
changes.
and the Clayton
Particularly
sisters.
for,
that's
Hungary
our
drawn the
scores.
baton at that point. We're
Blake
just seeing that.
and Bolt, of
Look at
course, from
France
me,
here in
from
the white and red.
the best
in lane
machine,
4.
best machine
Lead
so
out
far.
runner way early.
But
Look
stay
at this.
tuned,
No
guys.
chance
We'll
of
be
catching
talking
her before
about
those
this.
yellow takeover lines. Nigeria on the inside. The runner is also without a baton. So just some real issues with the check marks and the incoming speed there. But Jamaica were impressive, and Portugal with a national record.